Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to take a look at our 2019 21-foot Grady-White 215 Freedom dual console. As you can see, it's a light blue boat, has not yet been bottom painted. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the options. As we come on our 215 Grady, you'll see it has the 200 horse Yamaha, has a boarding ladder, the walk-through transom with the flip seat that also flips over. There's a cushion on the other side. This boat has the ski pole, cup holders. It has the live well / core with a cutting board on top. There's a battery switch. Pop-up cleats, rod holders. Boat has a bimini top with a full enclosure. Does not have electronics yet. Does have the Fusion stereo, the tilled helm. It has the lounge seat with storage under it. It has a head with a porta potty. That's your enclosure in a bag. Storage under the helm. Seating forward with insulated boxes underneath. Anchor forward, speakers, pop-up cleats. This is our 2019 215 Grady-White Freedom. Thank you.